Oh boy, so do I look crazy? I feel crazy. It's been a long time coming, but I feel like I've actually started to really master all the suspension stuff. Still in the learning process, but check this out. Boom. So we got our platforms, we got our string alignment. I just set my camber, my toe, and everything is really dialed in, ride height and all that stuff. So let me talk about that in the next one. So the QuickTrick Alignment is absolutely fantastic. It's really, really easy to use. It's easy for the Fiesta because there's no camber in the rear because it's just a fixed stupid trailing arm. But doing it up in the front is super duper easy. The gauge there you can see, that just basically is just a level. It's strapped to the wheel. So you read your camber and then secure your bolts down. And then the coolest thing is obviously your toe settings. So I have it set at the 3-inch mark there. And then all the way in the back one, it's set to 3 inches. And then you use this ruler here to tell you what your toe settings are. So as you can see here, I am 1/16 toe out because the 16th is on this side of the wheel, which means the back of the wheel is pushed in a little. So I am 1/16 toe out. I love it. So what I like is basically being creative enough to figure out how to do these things myself. Like I said, I'm a music teacher, but racecraft is probably something I'm better at than actually driving. And the math and stuff is very confusing at first, but I had it pretty dialed in. And like I said, just figuring out to just use these Harbor Freight roll-up ramps. I've already had a set of 2 because that's what I was just doing my oil changes and stuff on. And I figured, well, let's just get 2 more, and then the car should be the same level height, minus the turn plates with the QuickTrick setup. And so I just combated that by cutting a piece of plywood the same height, and the car's sitting pretty level. And then, like I said, just using the QuickTrick, and now that I can slide my fat butt underneath the car conveniently, that it's no problem.